Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing my review on the Lingbao Jiguanshi mini mechanical gaming keyboard. I bought this on Amazon.com for about 40 bucks. It turned out to be about 50 bucks with shipping, so it's a great price. It is very, I can compare it to the Razer Black Widow Chroma and Black Widow Ultimate and all the Razer Black Widow keyboards by the sound. Feels nice just like them, and is actually made of I think a nicer plastic than the Razer keyboards are. The LEDs that I bought for these, I bought the colorful version, and there's also a version that is all blue where the up, down, left, and right arrows and the WASD are orange. I have a picture of it right here actually. But I decided to get the LED, the rainbow LED, because I have LED lights changing in my room all the time, so I figured it would go good with that. It has white keycaps and a white background, as you can see, which I think looks really nice, paired with my white gaming mouse. The switches it has are blue switches, which is my favorite sound. I love hearing that sound when I'm playing or when I'm just typing a paper or something for school. There's a lot of cool effects that this keyboard has. You just hold FN and press the buttons. This one, it kind of climbs up. I don't actually play with the effects, I just think they're cool to have when you're stepping away. End is turn off the keyboard. FN page down is like press, and then it, like, if you're on this side, it goes all the way across. This side goes all the way across. Kind of just ripples and like goes away from wherever you click. FN page up is this one, which is cool because it's like the Chroma keyboards. And then there's just like, this is cool when you're just like maybe watching TV and your setup's on and it looks cool, just like being displayed over here. Pause is like this. This is also another one of those where it just kind of looks cool when you're not playing. Scroll lock is that one, kind of just puts a little tiny wave through. This one is just the breathing, like like a gaming mouse does, just like goes from color to color. But this one just fades in and out. And insert is the keys. The keys actually go out for a sec when you click them, which I think is kind of weird. I don't really use that one. And then home just takes you back to normal colors. So next I will do a sound test for you guys. The sound of these blue switches are just amazing. I just love the sound. That's mostly the reason I got it, because of the sound it makes and the clickiness in the keyboard. So here's the sound test. Alright, so there is the Lingbao Jiguanshi mini mechanical gaming keyboard. I highly recommend this keyboard. I would give it 5 out of 5 stars. That's what I rated on Amazon. It's a great keyboard for someone who doesn't want to spend, $150, $200 on a keyboard, but still loves the texture and the sounds of a Razer Black Widow or Razer Ultimate, one of those. This is a great keyboard. I highly recommend grabbing it. It's mini, so it looks great on your extended mouse pad. I highly recommend this keyboard, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.